What's good, people? Welcome back to the Crypto Jugging channel. I am your host Big Dre, and today's video we're going to be talking about Copy My Crypto. Don't worry guys, there won't be any clapping in this video for you lot with your little dirty minds. The man said they're getting P-Hub vibes. You lot are too dirty minded, you need to get yourself a missus, get yourself a gallery boy. Before we go any further, hit the like button down below, subscribe and turn your notification bells on so you know whenever I release a new video. Now make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, as it will be comprehensive and you won't get it if you just skip all the way to the end of the video. Or you only watch the first few seconds, boy. You guys just stay till the end, man, just stay till the end. As always, shout out to my supporters, my subscribers, everyone. I've got a big you lot up all the time. I don't know what's going on with my hand movements there still. I feel like a duckling or something. Okay, so part 2 of Journey with James, aka reviewing CopyMyCrypto.com. For those of you who are not aware, CopyMyCrypto.com was started by someone called James, or Crypto with James on YouTube. He's a YouTuber who does crypto videos, and I've been watching him for months, as I said in the previous video. And I felt like this guy knows what he's talking about, so I think I'll take a punt on it, see if it's worth it. In the previous video, I showed you the website, how you scroll all the way down to the bottom. Then it shows you the payment system. Unfortunately, you can only use your credit card, debit card. You can't pay by PayPal. You can't pay with crypto. Although, that would have been a nice touch. Anyway, the subscription is about $49. So once you first purchase it, you're gonna get into the members area. It's gonna have a few sections on there for you to look at. It's gonna also show you that he's got a book. I didn't even know about this. He's got a book which you can purchase and it helps you with stuff, I guess. I didn't purchase the book because I wanted to just buy it, try it out for a month, see if it's worth it, and then see where you go from there. After purchasing, there's a video that comes on, and when you play that video, James is talking to you, and basically what he's saying is, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is not a fast money scheme. This is literally for you to make a retirement plan. So you're basically making a promise to yourself. Out of respect for James as a fellow YouTuber and businessman, I'm not going to give too much away in terms of what goes on in the course. So back to the members area, he does actually have a section for people who are beginners in crypto, and to be 100% honest with you guys, it's good. I won't lie, it's good. If you're someone who doesn't understand anything about crypto, you watch the videos that he puts up and you'll understand it, you'll get it, it makes sense. He says it very, very simply. If you're at an intermediate level, I'd say from face value, at the moment, it's worth it. I can't say for sure yet, I'm gonna give it another month or two to really be sure. However, I'd say from what I've seen so far from him, it's worth it. Also, the second thing I'll say about this is he's constantly sending you emails. He always keeps you updated, so you never feel like you're in the dark about anything. Before he uploads a video onto the member space, he sends you an email. If you guys look to the left, you'll see I had someone say that they bought the package, they tried it out for a month, just got in contact with James's team, and the refund was processed, no problem. Read through the comment, we see his problem wasn't anything to do with James or to do with the program. It was more to do with the sort of dosh that James was saying to invest into certain things. He just didn't have the liquidity at the time. Since I've been on the course, James has uploaded a video every single day, and I'm not gonna lie, it feels good when you actually see him upload. It makes you feel important, it makes you feel like you're engaged, like he actually cares about your portfolio and your actual journey in crypto. So as I said previously, James says you gotta make a promise to yourself that this is for your retirement. So now, if you're thinking this is just gonna be one video of a full in-depth review telling you the whole thing about Copy My Crypto, you've lost it. At the end of the day, it's a journey. It's gonna probably take me about 6 months before I really know whether or not this process is actually worth it, whether it's a good program or not. And I can actually say to you lot, yeah, go for it, or nah. No, I would say leave it alone. So far, so good. I only did this part 2 because you lot asked for it. Before you lot leave, join the Discord via the link below. If you want to support the channel in any way you can do, the BNB address is in the description. If you want to make money in crypto, just remember my slogan. It's in the sauce. Just buy the dip. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. It's been your boy, Big Dre.